This is Mojiko Station, a historic railway station located in Kitakyushu, Fukuoka, Japan. Opened in 1914, Mojiko Station became a symbol of the prosperity of Moji Port, one of Japan's earliest and most important international trading ports. In 1988, it became the first railway station building in Japan to be designated as an important cultural property of Japan. Its retro red brick exterior and elegant wooden interior preserve the charm and atmosphere of more than a century ago. Walking through the station feels like stepping back in time. One of the most fascinating preserved spaces here is the old washroom area. This washroom was newly installed in 1929, Showa 4, as a dedicated washing area when the number of female travelers increased. The long and spacious marble washbasin, the old-fashioned water taps, and the artificial stone floor worn down by countless footsteps quietly tell the story of the station's busy and prosperous past. Today, only part of it remains due to aging, but this preserved space allows visitors to imagine the elegance, culture, and liveliness the station once had, a special place where history and the present coexist. Experience the timeless charm of Mojiko Station.